Manually turning on your Samsung Smart TV is straightforward, even if the remote is missing or not working. Here's how you can do it. Most Samsung Smart TVs have physical buttons on the front or side panel. Look for a small power button on the bottom edge or back of the TV. Press it firmly to turn the TV on. If you can't find the button, check your TV's manual for its exact location. Alternatively, use a universal remote or a smartphone app like SmartThings. Pair your phone with the TV via Wi-Fi and use the app as a virtual remote to power it on. If your TV is connected to a smart plug or surge protector, you can also turn it on by toggling the power switch on the outlet. However, this method won't work if the TV isn't set to auto power on in the settings. Once the TV is on, adjust settings or reconnect devices as needed. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.